Hi, good evening. I am Virendra Nulvi.
I am Suraj Singh Jairam Nawar. We both are from KLS BCA College, Hubli, presenting our project named IoT-based motor pump controlling using Android app.
The aim of this project is to reduce the women work and make use of technology in an efficient manner, especially in the field of agriculture.
And to reduce the accidents faced by our farmers by the electrical bore wells and water motor pumps. Our project helps to operate the motor pump from any part of the world through the application with the connection of internet.
And components of this project are: this is relay module, and this is controller, and this is a cable charger which is connected to the AC current.
A water pump, basic water pump for the demonstration, and some water with some pipes.
The main objectives of this project are the efficient controlling the motor and updating the status of the motor in an app.
Reduces the loss of electricity and reduces the risk of farmers' life. Now we'll go through the functionality of the products. First one, this is controller ESP8266 module. It works as a controller with Wi-Fi accessibility, which is connected to the internet through mobile hotspot. Which the function of this is to collect the data and upload this data to the cloud. This data is then read and displayed through the Android app to the user. And this is the relay module. Relay module works as a switch to make the setup on and off. It also isolates DC voltage and high AC voltages.
Start. Connecting wires. These are the connecting wires are used to connect the ESP8266 relay module. Power adapter. It is used to provide the power to make the devices.
These are the components of our setup. Now you can see this is the relay module, which I earlier said, which works as a switch. And now you can see this is a controller ESP8266 module, for which the power supply is given to through the charger or the adapter. And for this relay module, an AC alternate current is supplied. And this is the basic water pump to demonstrate our working. And there are some water and some pipes.
Now we will show the working of this project.
You can see here, this is the app developed by us. We named it as AgriTech. Now we'll go through the app. In app, we just added one switch, and now we can see that if we make this switch on, the relay gets on, and the motor, you can see, now that the working of this project. In this way it works. Mainly the adaptations are in the field like this, which helps in farmers' life. Now you can see that by making this switch off, our setup will get off automatically. Now I hope you all understood about the working and the functionality of this setup. And now I will inform you some of the main advantages of this project now.
The motor can be controlled globally, and it saves the wastage of water, electricity, time and manpower. It protects the farmers from electricity accident while operating borewells in a field and more reliable.
Yes, nowadays we are seeing in the news that most of the death, I mean farmers' death, has been occurring due to the electricity attacks in the field. We also know that many of them farmers go in the midnight to operate their borewells and things. So they might there might be chances of getting the electricity shock, and it's a threat for their life. To prevent this is just a setup to prevent these all conditions. And as we all know, farmer is a backbone of our country. Not only the country, he is a backbone of our world. So protecting him and also adapting new technologies to the field of agriculture is very essential nowadays. Updating in agriculture is also very crucial. So we thought of this project and just made it. Now we are at the stage of conclusion. We have to conclude our project, and Virendra?
Software is said to have attained its objectives only when it meets all the requirements of the user. Further, user himself is the person who judges the success of the system.
And in this project we can also update the things, like whenever the electricity comes, that should be notified to the farmers through this Android app, and whenever the electricity goes, it also should be notified. The water level indicator also must I think it also may help the farmers in a good manner to save water and only to provide the required amount of water to the fields. I hope this all can be adapted in this project in the real time, and we can make it. If we make that, I think we may get the success, and our farmers also get some mind relief and reduces of some physical work. And that's all about our project. And thank you for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, our college, KLE Specie Public.